Hey, hope you're well. So, just going to do a little video, tell you a little bit about the Royalton and the Grill, which is where we're staying right now. It's in fact our last day. We've been here for 2 weeks, so I thought I'd get a little video put together, tell you about our experience here. There are 4 parts to this hotel, I think. So I'm currently in the lobby section, which is in the main Royalton section of the hotel. To the left hand side, as you're looking out to the sea, is the hideaway section for all the hideaway guests. To the far right hand side, there is the Diamond Club section for Diamond Club guests. And then just past the hideaway section to the far left hand side is the Gran Lido, which I think is the naturist part of the hotel, or a naturist hotel. Not for me, not my bag whatsoever. Whatever floats your boat, and if that's your thing, fair enough, but yeah, I like to keep my clothes on whilst I'm on holiday most of the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through various parts of the hotel, the lobby, different restaurants, different pool areas, and the beach. And the beach is stunning, gorgeous, beautiful beach here, pure white sand beach, and the sea's a little bit murky today, a little bit choppy, but nearly every day since we've been here it's been crystal clear, calm water, beautiful sunshine. We can't have asked anything for any more with regards to the weather during our stay. So let's have a look around. So just behind or in front of me is the reception area where you go to check in, exchange money. If you have any complaints, you want to move a room or anything like that, they're really attentive, really good here. Any questions we've had, they sorted out pretty much straight away. It's November time, which is coming to the end of November. It has been quiet at the start of the holiday, and as it's progressively gone through the holiday, it's got busier and busier. The only thing I would say is that the service, as good as it is, there aren't as many staff as I would say guests right now. Whether that's changing over the next couple of weeks, I know December is a busy time, but sometimes on the beach, at the bars, you might have to wait a little bit, not too long. Escalators down from the lobby down to the beach, and I'll show you a couple of restaurants on the way as well. Staff all over, always tending to the grounds, which are gorgeous as well. Here's this beautiful view again. So that's one of the quieter beaches. I'll take you up to the Hideaway Beach. Let's see what that's about. So to your left hand side, as you're walking towards the Hideaway, you have a little shop. I think it's called Boardwalk Boutique or something like that. Various bits and bobs in there, not cheap. I find that a lot of hotels in Jamaica, for anything, not cheap at all. And there's the main restaurant, which I think is called Marsh. So that's where your buffet is. That's where you can come for your breakfasts, lunch and evening meals, if you're not going to any of the a la cartes. Take you down here. Check this out for a view. There's your Hideaway Beach, and that's your Hideaway section of the hotel. So if you haven't got a Hideaway access, you can't go on the beach, you can't go to the pool, I don't even think you can walk past a certain point where you do get stopped by security. And over there, I think around the corner is your Gran Lido, so that's your naturist hotel. So this restaurant is the Culinary Experience. We didn't use this one at all whilst we're here. I think you pay extra for that. I think it's something like $100. It's meant to be really, really nice though. This one is Armadillo, which is Tex-Mex. We ate here a couple of times. Really, really good. Not too sure if you can see the menu in there. Nah, too much of a reflection. That one's really nice. This one is Calypso, which is the Caribbean restaurant. We ate there. I had some red snapper, gorgeous, so nice in there. Really enjoyed that one. And I think this is everybody's favourite. This one is, it's not Armadillo, Steakhouse, Sunter. Everybody eats here. They do a mini fillet, stunning, absolutely gorgeous. These restaurants you generally just turn up and wait your turn, except for this one. This is your teppanyaki restaurant. So this is where I do all the teppanyaki, sushi. I think that's the only one that you have to reserve. And back near the main restaurant Marsh, I think it's at 9 o'clock you have to queue up, and you're not always guaranteed to get a reservation. And I think the Diamond Club members, they get to book everything in advance anyway, so they don't have to wait. They just get their butler to do everything for them. So right there behind me, that is Mixed Martini. That opens up of an evening. This is where everybody hangs out, ready for the shows, or if you're having to wait for your table to come available in one of the restaurants, this is where people just chill out. And then this is the main staging area for the theatre. So this is where all your shows go on. They do Michael Jackson, they do Bob Marley, which is my favourite one, like a Jamaican night, various nights. There's always something going on. If you're in this block here in these rooms, this is block 7, gets a little bit busy, a little bit loud of an evening, but it's holiday, what do you expect? If you want somewhere a little bit quieter, I'd request being either not near the beach, because they have a beach party night on a Thursday. That gets really loud, and if it's not going to be there for whatever reason, be it a wedding, they'll bring it down to here, and it goes on till about midnight. It can get really, really loud, but it is people's holidays, so I don't really mind it too much. Look at these trees. Size of that tree. So that's one of the smaller bars. This one's always pretty easy to get served at. You're never hanging around here. Yeah, so I'm not too sure the name of this bar. It's just attached to this block here, and compared to the other bar, which is near the pool, you very rarely, if ever, have to wait for a drink round here. Stocking up for the day. This takes you down a little boardwalk onto the beach, onto this small beach. And these are some of the cabanas you can book. Now, we didn't book any of the cabanas, and I think on previous videos that I've seen, there's signs on them telling you how much it is, and I think you get a butler service, but I've not inquired about it, I'll be honest, so I don't really know what's what. Might need something to ask once you get here if you want to book one of these cabanas out. So this is your water sports centre. I think this is where you can book your paddle boards, kayaks. I think maybe I don't know what they're called, like water couches. You get dragged behind a speedboat on them. Right, okay, so here, lunchtime, Nibbles. This is where you get your jerk chicken, jerk sausage, various bits and bobs. We've had it so many times since we've been here. Probably our favourite lunch, absolutely gorgeous. So this is your pool bar area. This is the land side, and I'll show you in a minute the water side. This gets busy during the day, really busy, both sides. And then you've got your little shack. These do burgers, nachos, things like that. I think here, desserts. Let's have a look. Salads, hot dogs, French fries, jerk chicken wraps. So plenty to choose from. That opens up, I think, at around about 11 o'clock or something. And here is your pool. Red Stripe. Beer of choice in Jamaica. Look at the side of this pool. There's your swim up part to it. This gets really busy. From around about 2 o'clock onwards, it gets rowdy here. Big pool though, plenty of space for people. Where you can get your mini catamarans, paddle boards, kayaks. I think you have to pre-book on a slightly breezy day today, like today. Probably going to be quite nice taking one of the catamarans out. Here's a beach volleyball. They get the nets out during the day. And that guy there is one of the beach sellers. They don't give you any hassle. They last you if you want to buy anything from them, as long as you're polite and nice. They kind of leave you be. They're nice guys. Unique. Some of them do various things, say various things, so you know who they are. One guy sells cigarettes. Other guy sells beach water activities, parasailing, things like that. Look at this, stunning. Looks like they're making a sale. Not too sure what he's selling, to be fair. Walk up as well. This takes you down the beach and then to the Diamond Club section, which is an exclusive section for people that pay for the Diamond Club room upgrades. I think they're about $1,000 per person per room, but you do get a lot with it. You get butlers, get your own pool. There's a lot more staff around these parts, so you're not really waiting for anything. The beach service is better, I would say, so maybe it is worth it. Tomorrow's Cabanas, this is where you get your towels from. She's always really good, looks after you. Good morning. And this is the main beach. This is where we've spent most of our holiday, to be honest with you. Beautiful part of the beach. There's your Diamond Club section. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if I can sneak in without getting told off. I might get told off. So here's your Diamond Club section. This is your pool, its own private pool bar, beach bar, some beds of course. This is slightly less busy during the day, slightly less rowdy in the afternoon, but still gets a little bit loud. It looks fun. And then their section of the beach, which is obviously no different to any other section of the beach, just a service. Service is different. A few more beach servers, more people helping you out, asking if you want drinks and food and stuff. But yeah, gorgeous. Royalton's really are nice hotels. We stayed in two, stayed here in Jamaica and one in St Lucia. And we were lucky enough to stay in the Hideaway at St Lucia. We're just in the main section here in Negril, but we ain't complaining. So this is it, coming to the end of the holiday now. Only got a couple of hours left. My wife's on the beach, topping up a tan. Tanning, as you can probably tell, not really for me. Don't mind a bit of sun, but I haven't really got the skin type to tan. I just go pretty red, get a bit sore, and go back white again. And that long journey home, which I am not looking forward to one bit. Apparently it's snowing back home as well. Great. 30+ degrees sunshine, beaches, snow. Anyway, catch up with you in a bit.